Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about GE Lower Rack and Swb Replaceme part #WD28X28918. GE Lower Rack and Swb Replacement part #WD28X28918 is a replacement part for GE dishwashers. This part is the lower rack and silverware basket assembly. It includes the lower rack, silverware basket, and mounting hardware. The lower rack is designed to hold dishes and other items. During the dishwashing cycle, the silverware basket can be used to store cutlery, utensils, and other small items. This part is made of durable plastic and metal materials for long-lasting use. It is an OEM, original equipment manufacturer, part that has been approved by GE for you. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is used to replace the lower rack and side wall of a dishwasher. It can help fix issues such as the dishwasher not draining properly, dishes not getting clean, or water leaking from the dishwasher. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the dishwasher from the power source. 2. Remove the lower dish rack and any other items that may be in the way of accessing the lower rack and Swb replacement part. 3. Remove any screws or fasteners that are securing the old part to the dishwasher. 4. Install the new part by aligning it with the mounting holes in the dishwasher and securing it with screws or fasteners as necessary. 5. Reinstall any items that were removed to access the part, such as a lower dish rack, and plug in the power source to test your repair. You can buy this part from www.PartsIPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsIPS.com.
Visit www.PartsIPS.com to order residential appliance parts.